All the content of the videos are planned in joyful and playful method to keep your children engaged and motivated and also to enhance the previous knowledge. It is purely based on informal method. It does not suggest or force compulsory learning by the students. The fun-filled learning videos by teachers will help them stay active and refreshed. The school does not claim to test or assess the child based on this informal education.
Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Maths class. And today we are going to continue lesson number 4, Shapes and Pattern. As we studied in the previous part about different shapes, so let's revise. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. So today we are going to study more about shapes. Circle. This is a circle. Children, which shape is this? This is a circle. A circle does not have any sides. Children, you can see any sides in the circle? No. So, a circle does not have any sides. A circle does not have any corners. Children, you can see any corners in the circle? No. So, a circle does not have any corners. But, circle has a center. You can see the center, children? Arrow is indicating the center of the circle. So, circle has a center. Triangle. This is a triangle. Children, what shape is this? This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. How many sides are there in triangle? There are 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's see its side. This is the first side of the triangle. This is the second side of the triangle. And this is the third side of the triangle. So, triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 corners. How many corners are there in triangle? There are 3 corners in the triangle. So, let's see the 3 corners of the triangle. First corner of the triangle. This is the second corner of the triangle. And this is the third corner of the triangle. How many corners are there in triangle? There are 3 corners in the triangle. Square. This is a square. Children, which shape is this? This is a square. A square has 4 sides. How many sides are there in square? Square has 4 sides. Now let's see the 4 sides of the square. This is the first side of the square. This is the second side. This is the third side of the square. And this is the fourth side of the square. How many sides are there in square? There are 4 sides in the square. A square has 4 corners. How many corners are there in square? There are 4 corners. So let's see all the 4 corners. This is the first corner of the square. This is the second corner of the square. This is the third corner of the square. And this is the fourth corner of the square. So, how many corners are there in square? There are 4 corners in the square. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. Children, what shape is this? This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Children, how many sides are there in rectangle? There are 4 sides. So let's count. This is the first side of the rectangle. This is the second side of the rectangle. This is the third side of the rectangle. And this is the fourth side of the rectangle. So how many sides are there in rectangle? There are 4 sides in the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 corners. How many corners are there in rectangle, children? There are 4 corners. So let's count. This is the first corner. This is the second corner. This is the third corner. And this is the fourth corner. So how many corners are there in rectangle? There are 4 corners in the rectangle. So here we finished with part 2. More about shapes. Thank you, children.